Today's topic for the science seminar is the quantum age begins and its potentials and challenges. So first let us see how quantum age begins. Humanity is entering the quantum age, a new era built on mysteries of atoms and subatomic particles, poised to transform science, technology, and human life itself. Quantum age. What is the quantum age? The quantum age is the new era after the industrial and digital age that uses quantum science to build new technologies like quantum computers and secure communication. In quantum age we have 3 points. The quantum dimension. The quantum dimension refers to the realm of the very small atoms and subatomic particles. Number 2, unique quantum rules, means the strange rules of the quantum which is very different from our everyday world. Number 3, building new machines. The core aim is to design and build revolutionary machines that advantage these quantum physics principles. Now let's see its potentials. In potentials we have quantum computing. Quantum computing is a computer which can solve complex problems faster than the classical computers. Revolutionizing radiation. This radiation, through quantum computers, it can detect our diseases like cancer, heart diseases, diabetes, and it also can be sped up in quick drug discovery and personalized treatments. Smarter AI. Quantum AI combines with artificial intelligence with quantum computing to create more intelligence and capable missions. Next, impenetrable security. Impenetrable security means a way of keeping our information safe. For example, quantum cryptography. Advanced sensing. Sensing is a device which we use to detect tiny changes in gravity, temperature, and magnetic fields. For example, quantum sensor. New discoveries. It enables us research in fundamental physics like space exploration, energy generation, to seek the boundaries of human knowledge. Now let's come to the challenges. In challenges we have technological hurdles. Issues of technology. Quantum machines are very expensive to build and run, so it challenges to build the new technology. Early stage development. The field is still in its early stage, requiring significant investment and time to mature before it's ready for everyday use. Shortage of experts. The world is facing a shortage of quantum experts because only few scientists turn from the quantum technology. Quantum technology can make our information very safe by using quantum cryptography. But at the same time, if someone built powerful quantum computers, they could break today's security system and still pirate data, which creates a security vulnerability and ethical dilemmas. Workforce transformation. Workforce transformation means how jobs, skills, and career are changing because of quantum age, like quantum computing, quantum communication, and quantum sensing. Global cooperation. Global cooperation is essential for harnessing the power of quantum age while mitigating risks. With that, I would like to conclude by saying this word. The quantum age has the power to transfer human life as profoundly as electricity or the internet. With great potentials comes great responsibility. Success depends on how well we balance innovations with ethics, opportunities with challenges. That's all. Thank you.